Number 3 is Sawgrass UHD Virtuoso SG500. The Sawgrass UHD Virtuoso SG500 sublimation printer is a top-of-the-line option for fine art enthusiasts who demand nothing but the best. This printer has been designed with the specific needs of dye-sublimation printing in mind, which means it produces stunningly vibrant, long-lasting prints that will stand the test of time. One of the key features of this printer is its use of Sawgrass UHD ink. This ink provides a wider color gamut and better image quality than traditional dye-sublimation inks, ensuring your prints will be true to life and eye-catching. The SG500 also boasts a maximum resolution of 4880 by 1200 dpi, meaning you can achieve sharp and detailed prints up to 8.5 by 14 inches in size. In addition to its exceptional print quality, the SG500 comes with a range of accessories and extras to help you get started immediately. This includes premium sublimation paper, design access cards, a sublimation blank sample pack, and 4 rolls of ProSub heat-resistant transfer tape in different sizes. You'll also have access to CreativeStudio, an online design software that lets you easily customize your designs. To top it all off, the SG500 comes with a 2-year manufacturer warranty, premium one-on-one onboarding, and lifetime support from the largest authorized dealer. If you want to purchase this sublimation printer right now, then check out the link in the description box.